Hey there, drivers. Did you know that some of the most common things we do behind the wheel could be slowly but surely killing your engine? Yep, it's true. And the worst part? You might not even realize you're doing it. Today, we're diving into 5 driving habits that are secretly wreaking havoc on your engine, and trust me, fixing them now could save you thousands of dollars and countless headaches down the road. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what these habits are, but you'll also learn how to avoid them. So buckle up, literally, and let's jump right in. Number 1. Skipping warm-up time in cold weather. First on our list, not letting your car warm up on cold mornings. Now, I get it, you're running late, the heater takes forever to kick in, and you just want to hit the gas and go. But here's the deal, when your engine is cold, the oil inside is thick and sluggish, like molasses. It needs a few minutes to circulate properly. When you rev the engine or drive hard right after starting up, you're forcing your car to work harder without proper lubrication. Think of it like trying to sprint without warming up your muscles. Ouch, right? Over time, this can cause unnecessary wear on engine components. Even worse, you could cause microscopic damage to your engine over time, which might not show immediate symptoms but will shorten your car's lifespan. It's worth waking up 5 minutes earlier just to let your car properly warm up, it'll pay off in the long run. Remember, treating your car gently when it's cold isn't just smart, it's essential. Number 2. Riding the clutch or holding the brakes. Number 2 might surprise some of you manual transmission drivers. Riding the clutch. If you're keeping your foot partially pressed on the clutch while driving, you're putting constant pressure on the clutch plate, which can lead to overheating and premature failure. That's like burning money every time you drive. For those with automatic transmissions, you're not off the hook. Resting your foot on the brake pedal when you don't need to can cause the brake pads to wear down faster, and it might also confuse the transmission. Bottom line? Keep your feet where they belong, off the pedals unless absolutely necessary. If you're stuck in traffic, it's better to shift into neutral or park rather than holding the clutch or brake constantly. The small habit of managing your pedals wisely can add years to the life of your clutch and brakes. Plus, you'll enjoy a smoother, more fuel-efficient drive when you break these bad habits. Love your car? Then let us steer you right. Hit that subscribe button and smash the like tonight. Stay tuned for tips that save you cash and time, because driving smart makes your engine shine. Number 3. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. Coming in hot at number 3 is a biggie, ignoring those dashboard warning lights. Look, I know it's easy to assume the glowing check engine light is just overreacting or that you'll deal with it later. But ignoring it can be a recipe for disaster. Those lights are your car's way of telling you something's wrong. It might be as minor as a loose gas cap, or it could be a serious issue like a failing oxygen sensor or low oil pressure. Waiting too long to investigate can turn a small, inexpensive fix into a massive repair bill. Think of it like a toothache, it doesn't just go away on its own. Even if you feel your car is driving fine, don't assume it's okay. Modern vehicles are equipped with sensors that detect problems before you even notice them, so trust the warning signs and take action right away. Number 4. Driving on empty. Next up, let's talk about running your car on empty. It's tempting to stretch that last gallon of gas as far as it'll go, but here's what you might not know, your fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool. When you're consistently driving on low fuel, you risk overheating the pump, which can lead to a costly replacement. Plus, debris and sediment that settle at the bottom of your gas tank can get sucked into the system, potentially clogging your fuel filter or injectors. If you're the type who loves to push it to the limit, consider this: a failing fuel pump can leave you stranded at the worst possible moment. And did you know running on low fuel can also hurt your fuel efficiency? Keep your tank at least a quarter full to avoid all these problems. Number 5. Revving the engine unnecessarily. And finally, habit number 5. Revving the engine when you don't need to. This one's a big no-no, especially when your car is stationary or cold. While it might sound cool, or intimidating to the guy in the next lane, it's terrible for your engine. High RPMs put extra strain on internal components like pistons and valves. Over time, this can lead to faster wear and tear, decreased efficiency, and even engine failure. Save the revving for the racetrack and treat your engine with care. Plus, unnecessary revving wastes fuel, meaning you're literally burning money. And let's not forget the noise pollution, it's not exactly endearing to your neighbors. Respect your engine and drive responsibly, it'll thank you by running smoothly for years to come. So there you have it, 5 driving habits that could be destroying your engine without you even realizing it. But now that you know better, You can take steps to keep your car running smoothly and avoid those expensive trips to the mechanic. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to keep your car in tip-top shape. And hey, let us know in the comments, which of these habits were you guilty of? We've all been there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Car Knowledge.